Hi there, Mike Masuda here at Evergreen Valley College. I wanted to point out something here regarding turbulence and why stars twinkle. It's daytime right now. As you can see out in the parking lot, there are some cars parked out there, in particular ones that are highly reflective. You can see the light shining from the sun bouncing off of them and coming towards us. In particular, right there, there's one. That light has to make its way from that car to us. And before it does so, it has to interact with some of the warm air that is being produced by the surface of the car, being warmed up by the sun. And this causes turbulence. It causes the density of the air to become less dense when it's warmer. It rises upwards, and it causes this issue of the light sort of like trickling through the slightly different variations of density of air as it's passing from the car's surface to us. Now, we see this over there, and we see that it's sort of dancing around in terms of the light off of the surface of the car. Let me flip this around the other way and show you what the effects are in this room. So on the back wall over here is the light coming from the cars, and along with everything else outside, right? But primarily, it's coming from the cars over there, the reflection off the cars. And what I'm gonna do is dim this so you can actually see the turbulence a little bit better. I'll get the phone out of the way, you can see it. So as you can see, the dancing of the light, as you see, bouncing off of the surface of the car there, making its way towards us, has to travel through, the warmer air coming off of the car's surface. It also has to travel through the cooler air that is above the lawn out there, the patch of lawn that's out there. And this affects, the way light behaves as it passes through the less dense, warmer air and the more dense, cooler air, causing turbulence to occur. When we look out the night sky and we see stars twinkle in the summertime, it's because of this turbulence in the air. Even though the sun is not out, the air is still quite warm. It's still rising upwards to the sky. The warmer air is rising upwards. This causes this turbulent effect. And when starlight, which is trying to travel from the star to us, out there in space to us, has to travel through the atmosphere. And so through this. And so this is what causes the stars to twinkle. It's due to turbulence. On cold winter days, the stars don't twinkle as much because there's less variation of the density of the air itself due to turbulence. And another thing to note, planets don't twinkle. Right? Planets don't twinkle unless it's a really, really hot day during the daytime. You will not see any of the planets twinkle. Only stars twinkle. That's it.